Hey everybody, this is Demia Avery of the Demia Avery Show. So it was a busy day in court today for the Diddy trial. I'm going to have to actually do this in two videos. So make sure you go back and check out the second video. My first video, well, you'll see. So here we go. Okay, so Cassie Ventura's testimony is finally over. Yay. I'm so glad that she is finally off this witness stand. I don't know what to do. But the defense mostly confronted her with text messages with the intention to undermine her claim that she's been coerced into freak offs. But of course, that's left up to the jury to decide. So we thought Dawn Richard from Danity Kane was up next, but by surprise, the prosecution brought in Special Agent Yasin Binda. I think that's how they pronounce her name. She's a Homeland Security Investigations special agent who works in the Human Trafficking Division at the department. When they said that, I was like, oh my goodness. Anyways, Binda confirmed that she handled the logistics for Diddy's arrest on September 16th, 2024. She said she searched the room at the Park Hyatt where Combs was staying. Today, the jury saw images from the search of the hotel room after Diddy's arrest. The images were taken by the agent currently testifying in Combs' federal criminal trial. The jury saw photos of the expansive Park Hyatt hotel room and Ziploc bags filled with Johnson's baby oil and lubricant, which were recovered from bags in an entryway closet. More bottles of baby oil and lubricant were found in the bathroom and elsewhere in the room, Binda said. The jury saw a photo of the collected oils. The jury also saw a photo of lightning device that was found in the living room. Binda said she would describe it as a potentially mood lightning. It goes on to say a bottle of medication with the name Frank Black. Y'all remember the name Frank Black because if you remember in Cassie's testimony, she was saying that her and Diddy used that name as a code name for to get prescription drugs. But anyway, the name Frank Black was found in a Louis Vuitton bag on a nightstand in the bedroom. Binda testified. The label on the bottle said that the medication was clonazepam. I don't know what that is, but that's what it said. It said two little bags with pink powder were found inside another bottle of medication in a nightstand in the bedroom, Benda said. The pink powder in one of the bags tested positive for ketamine, and the other tested positive for MDMA and ketamine, according to a stipulation read in court. Special Agent Yasin Benda testified that $9,000 was also found in cash in a black fanny pack hanging off the bed in Diddy's hotel room. The jury saw the photo of the fanny pack. So it looks like he was getting ready to have another freak off. I just don't understand it. If he had, recently had just gotten raided and all of that, and you knew you were under investigation, why in the world would you, have another freak off? I just don't get it, Diddy. I just don't get it. At prosecutor Madison Smizer's request, Binda took the cash out of the fanny pack that was in an evidence bag, fanning it out for the jury to see. The jury also passed around an evidence bag holding the two bags of ketamine and MDMA pink powder that were found in the hotel room. After that, the defense went in to cross-examine her, and they really didn't have much to say. It appears they only had one question. It goes on to read Yasin Binda, the special agent testifying in the Diddy Combs trial, testified that it appeared a woman was staying with Diddy in his Manhattan hotel room before he was arrested in 2024. Bender confirmed that detail when asked by the defense attorney, uh, how you say Garagos during cross examination, and that's the only question he had. And then they let Binda off the stand. I said, "What in the world?" I guess there was nothing left to say. So, anyways, that's it. Now enters Dawn Richard, former member of Danity Kane. So stay tuned to my next video so we can hear what she had to say. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.